beautiful morning. Ooh. Good morning. Oh.
Food.
They're just completely mudlogged and waterlogged.
Oh really? I wouldn't know because my sealskins don't work, so mine are also fucking wet as well. Yeah. Absolutely soaked.
Ridiculous.
Thing is a waterproof sock.
Load of bollocks, man.
What?
I don't know if it's the condensation because last night these endurance socks were dry, and now they're just pissed through.
On the socks?
Yeah.
Fuck man. This condensation was bad. I was getting drips inside.
No matter how... No, really?
Yeah.
Do you think it's just so high up or something?
Yeah.
No matter how like waterproof you buy, if it's geotech, if you go through shit we went through, you're getting wet.
You're getting wet.
Well, you're submerging it.
Yeah. So
I guess there was points where it went above the sealskin, straight in.
club did.
Yeah.
So what can you do?
Nothing.
Put them back on and go again.
Yep. That's what I said. I literally just, I was putting them on, I was like, yeah, this is shit, that's shit. But then I was just like, just fucking get them on and shut up.
Yeah.
Stop being a little bitch, man.
Just enjoy it.
Oh, my fucking foot's not dry. Oh, I want to go home now.
This is my last set. So I put the bags in.
That's a good idea.
Staying dry, so it's alright.
That's smart.
There's Chris, just the loveliest man ever. This is his land we're on. Told us about rare breeds of pigs, and you know, you never hear about that sort of stuff. He's
Let us stay freely. Wasn't angry at us.
no,
Very considerate.
lovely man.
Lovely bloke.
So Chris, if you ever watch this video, which
You probably never will.
yeah, I should have.
Take the video out.
Yeah, but then he'd have been like, "You're filming a video on my land." I want every.
He would have been
every-
like, yeah, give me a YouTube. Yeah, and just never watch it again.
You get a lawsuit for it.
Yeah.
Stay calm.
We're going, mate, we're going.
Oh fuck.
I've never.
We've split up. So Sash wants to go straight through there. Owen wants to take the road route and meet us around there. There's a floodplain here, so, and basically you don't want to get his feet wet, which is fully understandable. And I'm sort of in the middle, like I don't know what side to take. So, yeah. One for all and all for one.
Cheers, boys. Oh wow.
We've got breakfast wraps. This is the no butter one. There you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Here you go. Look. Oh, sauces and salt and pepper.
I'm alright.
Can I have a bit of ketchup, please?
Yeah.
Mayonnaise, please.
Mayonnaise. Pancakes.
Yes, please. Oh wow. Can I have a knife and fork?
Adventurers back on the path again, straight after the pub. Absolute radical. By the River Avon, Owen, how'd you feel?
Horrible.
Yeah, same. The path is non-existent. This is part of the path that was cornered off. People were told to turn around, but not us. It's gold. Can't make it to the bridge. Extreme hiking. I'm wearing Owen's hat. Looks like meat's back on the menu, boys.
Hey guys, it's the Swan. I thought I'd bring you back because Lee's struggling a bit.
Make my fucking YouTube channel and all my subscribers can go to hell.
Yeah, we're making very good progress. Unfortunately, not much footage for day 2. But we're about 4.5, 5 miles out of Christchurch. So we've covered massive ground. Sash is bombing ahead. Absolute machine.
I'm joking about the hating of subs. I actually really appreciate it, guys. Comment below.
Yeah, comment below what sort of videos you want to see next.
One mile left now until we completed it. One more bit of torrential flooding and then we'll be there. So we actually done it. We done it in 2 days. We thought we were going to stay another night, but actually we smashed it. We done 20 miles today. We done
25 yesterday.
Just 25 miles yesterday.
22 today.
22 today. A lot of pain, but no pain, no gain. We're here at the pub now, the Railway. It's a shit pub. I didn't mean that. It's just that they wouldn't serve us food and I wasn't in the best of moods. You see, I had a few blisters, but yeah, sorry to the Railway pub. To be honest, no pub is shit. If they serve you a nice pint, that's all we ask. Some annoying people over there as well. And cheers to that one.
Cheers. You getting this on the video? Nice one.
Subscribe for more content.
These stats are just ridiculous.